Go ahead.
You ready?
Yeah.
As you can see, I'm a patient man. There's still all the corn here. So, got him real quick. He was standing about in the same spot when I shot him. That'd tell you about how much he moved. I was aiming. Hold on, let's look at it and then I'll tell you where I was aiming. I shot him. I was aiming right for his, about the middle of his front shoulder. Can you see where he was hit? See where the bubble's coming out? He's hit like right in the middle of his front shoulder. So, I'd say I'm a good shot. As you can see, he's got a ugly set of horns here, but doesn't really matter to him much anymore.
We'll pick him up. Tommy, don't do that.
Okay, you done? Let's see if it can come out the other side.
I'm sure it did, babe.